Williams debuts the Adidas Adistar Cushion 3 Jellyfish at Paris Fashion Week, blending archival Adidas tech with bold, aquatic-inspired design. Built with sculptural layering and translucent panels resembling a jellyfish exoskeleton, the sneaker draws from classics like the Adistar Cushion 3 and Response CL. Its flowing color mix, white, gray, green, tan, and orange, adds oceanic depth, while Jellyfish appears playfully on the tongue and insole. Pharrell has worn the silhouette discreetly under bootcut denim in public and runway appearances. Former Adidas design director Zach Andrews shared that Pharrell pushed the team to go way bigger on early concepts, focusing on texture and storytelling. The sneaker marks another boundary-pushing chapter in Pharrell's Adidas legacy, pairing nostalgia with futuristic expression. Set to release August 15 for $300 on Adidas.com, the Jellyfish stands as a creative evolution in the Three Stripes lineup.